Long ago, there stood a mighty sacred tree called Bәйтерек, connecting the earth and the sky. Its roots reached deep into the underworld, while its branches stretched high into the heavens. At the very top of this tree lived the magical samuryk bird. Each year, samuryk laid a golden egg at the crown of the Bәйтерek tree. This egg symbolized the sun, life, renewal, and prosperity. At the foot of the tree lived a terrifying dragon, a symbol of darkness and evil. Every year, the dragon tried to destroy the golden egg and plunge the world into darkness. One day, a brave hero climbed the Bæйтерek tree and defeated the dragon, saving the golden egg. Through this victory, good triumphed over evil, and life continued its eternal cycle. Today, the Bæйтерek monument in Astana is inspired by this ancient legend. The golden sphere at its top represents the golden egg of the samuryk bird, a symbol of peace, unity, and a bright future.